Have you seen those viral ads showing instant perfect smiles and wondered if Cvioert Dentures really work or if it's just another internet scam? In this honest review, I reveal what these snap-on teeth actually are and what real buyers are experiencing after ordering them. Because what's shown in the ads is very different from real-world results. Cvioert Dentures are marketed as a one-size-fits-all alternative to professional dentures, promising easy fitting without any dentist visit, no molds, and immediate transformation. But the reality is that teeth and bite alignment are unique to every person, making a universal fit unrealistic and potentially uncomfortable. Many users report poor fitting, bulky plastic material, awkward speech changes, and difficulty even keeping them in place during normal talking or eating, while the glossy before and after photos appear heavily edited or reused from unrelated sources. There is no evidence of dental certification or medical approval connected to this product, and the expert endorsements shown in ads do not trace back to legitimate dentists. Reviews on the official site appear overly positive and generic, while independent feedback paints a more mixed picture with frequent mentions of disappointment and refund struggles. The materials resemble low-cost cosmetic snaps rather than true dental prosthetics, offering only a temporary visual effect rather than a functional solution. Results vary widely depending on mouth shape, expectations, and usage, with some people using them briefly for novelty photos while others find them unusable altogether. If you're considering Cvioert Dentures, understand this is not a medical replacement for dentures and should not be treated as dental care. It's more of a cosmetic novelty than a true solution. Always research thoroughly, check independent reviews, and consult a dental professional for safe long-term options. Because when it comes to your smile and health, shortcuts can turn into costly mistakes.